But I'm writing for a public that will eventually like me. It may be a long time.
And now, Deep Thoughts by Jack Handy.
Possibility.
Get up, everybody. It's over. The
right
internet was fun while it lasted, but AI-generated models are now taking over. Not only are they getting a ton of followers, they're taking the brand deals and the sponsorships with them. And these captions are as cringe as possible. And men are lining up to give them money. And I can't tell whether they don't know they're not real, or if they just don't care. Like I always say, this is the worst AI will ever be. We're gonna soon get to the point where we can't really tell the difference. So prepare for an era where some awkward introvert in his basement creates
I'm saying in the business world, if it works, it's obsolete. And it's only when a thing has become...
Just people who normally wouldn't make movies are going to be making them, and, suddenly one day some little fat girl in Ohio is going to be the new Mozart, and make a beautiful film with her little father's camera recorder, and for once the so-called professionalism about movies will be destroyed forever, and it'll really become an art form. That's my opinion.
obsolete, that everybody is sufficiently familiar with it to make it work. Our motor cars are obsolete long ago, but that means that they are really going concerns. There is more writing today than there was before Gutenberg, more handwriting. Obsolescence does not mean the conclusion, but rather the beginning of a process, as far as everyday life is concerned. This is not ordinarily understood. Most people think obsolescence means the end. It means the beginning. People always live in obsolescent attitudes and obsolescent frames of mind and obsolescent technology.
An empire of extroverted super influencers. Oh, how the turns have tabled. And I guess it is true. Nerds always win. Now, we've had CGI influencers before, right? This is Will Michaela. She makes millions a year as an influencer. Here's her shilling from WorldCoin, the orb that scans your retina in exchange for crypto. But creating Michaela at least took some real effort. Now with AI, anybody can create Michaela in just a few minutes. So the dead internet theory may have finally arrived. And if you jump into that, follow for that video. Things are getting really wild.
What do you mean? I'm going to shout to the A-Train.
I married a scarecrow.
There's a rapidly growing ecosystem of new live streaming apps in China too, like TikTok's sister app Douyin and Pinduoduo, known for rock-bottom prices. Live streamers in China, known as key opinion leaders or KOLs, have made massive fortunes. There's entire boot camps devoted to the career craze of becoming a live stream shopping host.
By saying a thing like that, I've been all over town trying to find that kind of a fire.
You feel that way.
At the Acme Toy Company on West 46th Street.
Top creators build viewer trust through honest reviews.
$4.50. Wonderful bargain.
Honest reviews.
The length on them is not super long. I feel like it's important to just...
Macy's sending other people to other stores?
The important thing is to keep the children happy, whether Macy's or somebody else.
Most important trait, in my opinion, particularly in the context of financial services, and where we've seen trust break down, is the trait of integrity. Now, integrity really comes down to your intentions and motives. And integrity is being really honest about whether your intentions...
But I can only suggest that confusion of an extreme kind is the normal human condition in all sensory and perceptual matters. If anybody has the idea...
And integrity is being really honest about whether your intentions...
Please let me review. The motion says...
One possibility is that we do some licensing. One possibility is that we do some licensing. One possibility is that we do some licensing.
Did you not know anything about me?
I have seen your...
One possibility is that we do some licensing.